Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will discuss about on-premise model. What is mean by on-premise model? On-premise model is nothing but we the customers purchase the hardware and we set up the infrastructure and the data center requirements. In this on-premise model, we will establish. We have to invest in the location where we have to plan to set up a data center location, and we have to purchase the hardware. We have to purchase the operating system licensing, database software if any, and if you are using any application softwares and middleware softwares, these all the licensing costs we have to incur. Then we may have to we also have to incur some costs in maintaining these like installation, administration, managing these hardware, data center location. These all costs we need to incur. So this is what the on-premise model, where you have to manage networking, operating system, hardware, software, storage, servers, maintenances, data, what are the data compliance in your organization, application security, application management. These all things we have to monitor and we have to manage this. So what are the drawbacks of on-premise model? On-premise model, we have to purchase, and we the whole responsibility of management and configuring and installing the resources is depends upon us, and it's very expensive to run and manage the resources and these server storage devices and all. And also, if you in some case, like we are doing some business in India. In future, if the business grows across the globe, and it's very difficult to find a new data center in some other location in another geographical area, and again it's a huge investment opportunities we may have to incur to establish a new data centers in the other geographical location. So that's very expensive when you try to scale up or scale down your business to other parts of the globe. And it's again high business risks, because each and every country, each and every geographic location has its own compliance policies and rules. Each and every government has its own policies. So there could be like a lot of business risks involved in setting up any new infrastructure or set up data centers in another other parts of geographic location, and it's time consuming. uh, if you want to set up an on-premise model, you have to build from the scratch, from the from purchasing or lease, taking a lease for the location like where you want to establish the data center, and you have to purchase the hardware. It has to reach your destination, and then you have to install operating system, and you have to build all this strategy. So it takes a lot of time. Coming to the capex and opex, these are nothing but capital expenses and operational expenses. So capital expense is nothing but the amount you invest on purchasing this hardware, software, and all the infrastructure is called capital expenses. And operational expense is nothing but operational expenses which you spend on the managing these resources, like server admins. You have to build a server admin team, like to manage the servers. And you also have to recruit some OS, like database admins, application admins, and application management team, database management team. So these all you have to maintain. These all comes under operation cost. So these all are the disadvantages of the current on-prem model. So you have to it is very high expense and high investment and required when you start it's very difficult for a new startup companies to invest much cost on this infrastructure at their startup at starting stage. So this is about on-premise model. Thank you.